Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the women's Nike Vapor Street and Off-White collabo. Welcome to the app. Okay, so looking at the box, you have the orange box, no branding on the top. As we turn it to the side, so you have your few little holes, still no branding. Smaller side, same thing. The other longer side, same thing. Now we get to the tag side, you see the small Nike logo, and here's the tag. It's the women's Vapor Street in Off-White. Colorway is polarized blue and toy yellow. Now upon opening the box, you got the yellow off-white paper. He's double wrapped. You have the white paper on the inside. These retail for $190, by the way. So if you didn't get these upon release date, you already know how it go. So here it is, the women's Vapor Street Off-White. Now me personally, I am not a fan of this shoe. I know y'all probably used to me saying this, but I mean, it's just not me, man. But anyway, it's a women's shoe, but they have the men's sizes also. So, I mean, go figure, man. Whatever you like, you go ahead and get what you like, man. I think it's a nice shoe. You know what I mean? It's a nice collabo. It's some nice colors, but it's not for me. So let's take a look around the shoe, man. Now under the bottom, you see you got the white outsole with the black swoosh with your green hits under the bottom. Here's a look from the side. You see your oversized yellow swoosh. Here's a look at the back. You see the Nike on the back. You see that slimness in the back. I'm not a fan of that. Here's your medial side with your off-white branding. Here's a look from the front, top of the toe box, and here's your tongue. I'm gonna give you a zoom in look at. There's your Nike on your patch on your tongue. Here's a look at your insole. Now on the insole, you have like the same thing as the paper, the same color, same writing. Everything's the same as the paper that comes in the box. Here's a look at your strings. You have your off-white strings with your shoelaces wrote on it. You have your green off-white tag. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, man. With these, I feel like either you're just a fan of the shoe or you're not. You should already know what you're getting. But looking at the other shoe, everything's the same. You see you got the large swoosh, got your small off-white tag. Here's a look at the Nike on the back. You can see this film that they have over the shoe. Your medial side, you see your off-white branding. See the off-white from Nike. Y'all already know about that. Here's a look from the front. Here's the top of the toe box. And here's your tongue again. See your Nike logo on the tongue with your little foam and whatnot. You see you got your two sets of laces in there. You got your green ones and your white ones. Here's a look at your green ones with the shoelace. The white ones with the shoelace wrote on it. I'm gonna give you a look at the green ones also, man. I think it's a nice little setup, man. But like I say, look, here's a look at your green laces with your shoelaces wrote on it and your white pair. Here's a look at your insole, same as the other shoe, just like the paper that's in the box. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, man. I mean, it's not really too much I can say about it. I mean, I've seen them on the female's foot and they look good, especially with the smaller sizes for me. Well, I won't say they look good, but they look decent, you know what I mean? So there's your little small off-white tag. I mean, but this film that's over it, man, hopefully y'all can see that, but I'm not a fan of that, you know what I'm saying? But to each his own, man. I know some people probably that might be the favorite part of the shoe for some people. Now this slimness on the back, man, you see that? I can't deal with that, man. You know, there's your foam on your tongue and that's pretty much it, man. I'm kind of rushing through this because I got like 3 other videos to put up. There's that edit point in the back. That's what I call it, the edit point. You know, but this is a track shoe, man. This is a part of their that pack that they're coming out with. I don't know if it's a pack, but some kind of little thing they coming out with where they do a bunch of the track shoes and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. There's a closer look at that film. Let me know how y'all feel about these, man. That was my look at the women's Nike Vapor Street and Off-White collabo. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel. We're going to lay up here and get into this on foot. And I'm going to holler back.